Hello and welcome to Finlay Motor Group. Today I'm going to show you around this brand new Ford Ranger Wildtrak that we have in stock, available for immediate or July registration. This car is finished in cyber orange and being a Wildtrak, it's a 2-litre diesel automatic. It is of course the new model, so you do have full LED headlamps up front with front fog lights. You do have front and rear parking sensor. You do get these nice Wildtrak alloy wheels. You do get side steps and rear privacy glass as standard. Does also feature keyless entry on the door handles. Inside you do get this lovely Wildtrak interior, so it's half leather or it's full leather finished in black with Wildtrak embedded into the seats and on the dash also with a leather trim. Inside you do get this nice big Sync 4 navigation touchscreen infotainment system. Gives you access to everything from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, phone and radio controls built in. You do of course have built-in navigation. You do have dual zone climate control, and it does feature heated front seats with also a nice heated steering wheel, all controlled here via these buttons or the touchscreen. It is automatic, so you do have this nice gear selector. 4-wheel drive system of course with selectable driving modes, so for your 4-wheel drive, and selectable terrain modes for off-roading. It does have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. All your cruise control, speed limiter are mounted here. It is adaptive cruise control. All your phone and radio controls are mounted just here, and you do have this lovely big digital screen at the back also. It does feature electric windows all around with electric mirrors. You do have fully automatic lights with a button there for your electric roller cover on the back of it. Into the back of the car then. Loads of room in the back. You do have a centre armrest of cup holders, and you do have two USB Type C and Type A power adapters in the back, and air conditioning vents in the back for rear passengers. On the side at the back here you do also have a step for helping you load in the back. This one has been fitted with a factory tow bar, so it just has to be fitted onto it. It's 4-wheel drive, and in the rear a really good sized area in the cargo and a touch of button. It's electric slide and close, so very handy with LED lights and power point in the rear also. This vehicle is in stock and available for immediate delivery. Will be supplied with Ford's 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. To get any more information on it, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 045 431 725.